To set default app to open .html files in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap Apps, and then select Default Apps. Scroll down the screen, find Firefox. Next, tap Firefox. Scroll down the screen. On .html, tap Default App, and then select app you want to set as default to open .html files. For example, Microsoft Edge, and then tap OK. Now Microsoft Edge save as default app to open .html files. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.